तानवी न्यूज चैनल को इंटरव्यू देते हुए बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी ने कहा कि वो इमरान खान की 11 जून को जमानत के बारे में नहीं जानते, लेकिन अगर अदालतें 11 जून को इमरान खान को जमानत दे देती हैं तो वो और उनकी पार्टी अदालत के फैसले को सपोर्ट करेंगे।
Reported online that Imran being reported online.
I'm actually not aware about the specifics. It's the first time hearing this is from you.
That Imran Khan, the political opponent who's been sentenced to 14 years in prison, could be bailed on the 11th of June. What truth is there in that reporting?
I don't know, but if it's, you know, there's a legal process in Pakistan, and if the courts and everything feel that he deserves to be let out on bail, like, we'd support that. It's absolutely his right.
There'd be no challenge to the court's proceeding from your
well, there
party?
may be, not from me personally or from my party. I'm actually not aware about the specifics. It's the first time hearing this is from you. But if it's true, then that's part of the legal process.
Okay.
That's part of the legal process.
The 11th of June, so a couple of days' time.